live on a ramshackle farm, naby Broederstroom. My telephone's outside the door, nailed to a doringboom. Whenever I want to call out, there's a handle to turn round and round. I lift the receiver, take a quick breather and wait for a familiar sound. Nommer asseblief, what a merciful relief. Kan u vir my dadelik kry? Pretoria Dublin 3265. Net 'n oomblik, net 'n oomblik, net 'n oomblik asseblief. Net 'n oomblik, net 'n oomblik, net 'n oomblik asseblief. Last Saturday night I was sad, and I wanted to feel you were near. I called and I asked for your number. At last a voice said, "Net 'n oomblik, my dear." So I waited what seemed like an age. Then she said, "Ek skakel jou deur." I said, "Is that you?" And a voice said, You have got the wrong number, I fear." Well, I don't pretend to be any kind of a VIP, but I think when I ask for a line, I should not be told all the time. Net 'n oomblik, net 'n oomblik, net 'n oomblik asseblief. Net 'n oomblik, net 'n oomblik, net 'n oomblik asseblief. Well, maybe things would get better if you came and lived near me, and we both could be much closer yet if the line was not always beset. Ek skakel jou terug. Whenever you try to call me, 2 longs and a short is my sign. But short, long, long, short never does what he ought. He keeps butting in all of the time. And then when you get through at last, we've said, what a beautiful day. And I'm trying to tell you I love you. Centrale says, what can you say? So sweetheart, don't you see that I think you should marry me? I would ask you right away. If it weren't that I know you'll just say, net 'n oomblik, net 'n oomblik, net 'n oomblik asseblief. Net 'n oomblik, net 'n oomblik, net 'n oomblik asseblief. Well, how can I live if you still will not give me your number?